Yeah, my name is Vitun Panyakun. I work for the GreenNet. GreenNet is a social enterprise in Thailand where we work and promote organic farming and fair trade. I'm responsible for the organic agriculture department within the EarthNet Foundation. And the GreenNet has two organizations. One is the EarthNet Foundation, which is working mainly with the farmers on production techniques and so on, and the GreenNet Cooperative, where we commercialize the products produced by the members, the farmer members we work with. On the farming side, I think we are working with about 1,000 to 1,200 farming families, and each would have 4 or 5 people in the families. We do a lot of work with the farmers, of course, and we work on the organic agriculture policies at the local level, and also, of course, at the national level. We have small program with the consumer side on how to educate them to be responsible consumer. Why it's important to eat organic food, and why the organic food might be a bit more expensive compared to conventional, but what they are paying is not for their own health, but for the environment, and of course for the better livelihood of the farmers. And all these things also sometimes, we participate in general development policy advocacy as well. The partnership between GreenNet and Oxfam in Belgium has a long history for almost 16 years, and that collaboration helped for us to build the development tools, the knowledge, and all these things on organic farming and fair trade, which allow the farmers to prepare themselves a little bit more. So that's with that collaboration, it's allowed us to now to become spearhead in working on the climate change adaptation, which is, I think, is very important. And of course the continued collaboration and the partnership to the campaign, to the fair trade, would enable us to go further and advance this work in our region, so that we can not only support the farmers within the GreenNet, but also support the farmers in Thailand and Southeast Asia, which at the moment very few organizations in our regions really develop the skills, knowledge, and tools to work on organic farming, on fair trade, and also on climate change adaptation. But with that collaboration, we are now able to do that in many countries, including like Laos, Vietnam, Indonesia, Sri Lanka, and so on.